And tonight we're checking out live Doppler 2X, and we are seeing dry weather now across the Miami Valley. Had some showers earlier today. That activity has moved out of the region. A little bit of leftover activity south central Ohio. Not too much there, just a couple of blips on the radar scope, and that is continuing to move to the east and out of our area. So we'll stay dry tonight. Might see a little fog develop towards tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, once again, the chance for some more rain. Look at some of the rainfall totals today. Dark County's seen the heaviest amounts, 1.5 inches reported by Lowell Miller up in that area, but most areas about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch, although with that little heavier shower that came through right around dinner time, 0.8 of an inch in Kettering, 0.7 reported by Bill Telsero over towards the Beaver Creek Xenia area, and a 1/2 inch Greg shower down in Centerville tonight. And more rain, as I mentioned, is on the way. You can see how that area gets painted over us again as we head through tomorrow and into tomorrow night and early Friday. And by the time we get to Friday morning, once again, another core of heavy rain to the south of us, 1 to 1.5 inches, but we'll be on the northwest edge, and we can pick up another 1/2 inch or so, and maybe even a little bit more in some of the heavier showers. Tonight, though, dry weather, some breaks out there, 71 degrees, a west wind at 5, still rather humid in the Dayton area with a 67 dew point, but we are seeing slightly less humid air coming into the far northwestern part of our viewing area up around Mercer and Auglaize counties. 79 the high today, 68 this morning. Our record's 100, 1901, and 51, the record low 1968. And our weather checkers tonight, a little cooler up north with that less humid air. 67 reported by Bud and Wapak. 70, Scott Biesecker and Bradford. And then as you work southward, low 70s showing up and then heading down into our area, mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s as well. The rain cooling off areas to the west of us around Yellow Springs and also Cedarville. As we look at the temperatures tonight, a 63-degree reading now up at Fort Wayne, 65 in Lafayette, 68 degrees in Chicago. So a little bit of cooler air, as I mentioned there, across northern Indiana. We'll still stay on the muggy side. You can see that push of drier air that's been coming in from the northwest slowing down now, and if anything, a little bit of recovery starting to take place west of us, and that's with our next system that's taking shape out through the Plain States. There's our frontal boundary through, and then that warm front to the south of us with the warm, humid air down here. Not a lot of activity tonight across parts of Iowa and Missouri and Arkansas, but I think we'll see more showers and thunderstorms start to develop in those areas throughout the day tomorrow. So our fronts to the south of us tonight and into tomorrow morning. Again, could see a little patchy fog early on. But watch Future Track. You'll see the green start to come back up into our area. Pretty good shot of rain as that low swings across the state going into Friday morning. But the good news is, as it moves off to the east late Friday and into Friday night, we'll see less humid air return and some nice conditions as we start the upcoming weekend. So tonight, expect to see a partly cloudy sky, 63 the overnight low, at least for the Dayton area. Farther north and west might get down to the upper 50s, but down south only into the mid-60s or so as the humidities will stay up. Then we'll see those showers and thunderstorms on the way tomorrow afternoon, a high up to about 80 degrees as the rain gets going once again. As I mentioned, some patchy fog possible at 8 o'clock, and then we'll see that temperature climb into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees later in the day. Cooler in the vicinity of those thunderstorms. Keep track of the rain with live Doppler 2X anytime tomorrow, WDTN.com. And there's that chance of rain Friday morning and then turning less humid during the day. Nice start to the weekend, late Sunday, another chance for some showers.